Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my Facebook ads course. So, in the last session, we discussed how to create an ad set and we completed that. And as you can see over here, I've renamed the ad set according to the interests we chose in the ad set and the 11 cities we chose, just so we have extra information when we want to analyze the data. So, now let's move on to the ad creative section. So, once you click on edit, this page will open up. As you can see, this is the campaign, this is the ad set level, and this is the ads creative section. Okay, so first of all, you need to name your ad creative, whether it's an image or a video, or you can name it whatever you want to, just to identify which creative you're using over here. Then secondly, you have to connect your Facebook page. As you may remember, we created this page in the beginning. You have to click on this drop down and choose the page you want to run your ads through. And then secondly, if you have an Instagram account, you can connect your account over here, or you can run your ads on Instagram through this page. So all you have to do is choose use selected page. Okay, once you scroll down, then this is the ad setup create section. So there are many ways you can show your ads. First is the single image or video, second is a carousel, and third is collection. Single image or video is one image or video or a slideshow with multiple images. The second one is carousel, two or more scrollable images or videos. And the third one is a collection, group of items that opens into a full screen mobile experiences. So these are a few ways you can display your ads on Facebook. Right now we are going to choose single image or video, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the ad creative section. So over here, this is where you can choose your image or video or images or videos. Okay, so for example, let me just remove this for now. You click on add media, click on add image, or if it's a video, you click on add video, and then this page will open up. So I've already uploaded this on my Facebook, so it's already showing over here. If you don't have the images or the videos uploaded, you click on upload and then select it from the file you want to upload the images or the videos from. It's as simple as that. Click on the image, click on next, click on done, and the image will be uploaded over here. The images will look like in different areas or different placements of Facebook. So this is what it looked like in feeds, in stream videos. This is what it looked like in stories, apps, and sites, etc., etc. Once you scroll down, you're going to come to the primary text. The primary text is this part. The best coffee in town is here. Click on link to get yours now. So this is the part that will show on top of your creative, on top of the image or the video. The headline is, for example, let me just create a headline over here. Coffee in town. So as you can see, the headline will come underneath the image, and then there's the description that will come underneath the headline, as you can see over here. Best coffee in town, free shipping. This is called the ad copy. Okay, so these are the three parts where you can write your text. Then once you move on, you have to type in your website URL, page you want the visitors to go to buy your product, and you copy paste that, and you copy that and you paste it over here. Then you select shop now on call to action, and then you're done. So right now, as you can see, this pop-up is showing again because the example pixel I created in front of you, I haven't configured the web events for that pixel, and that's why this pop-up is showing. Otherwise, once you verify a domain and configure your web events, this will disappear. And your domain will appear over here with a green dot, and then that means that your ads are ready. So now let me just explain this part. So as you can see, this is a single image or video, the carousel and the collection. So let me just click on carousel and explain what that is. So a carousel, for example, is a carousel has 2 or 3 different cards. In those cards, you select an image, select a headline, description, website URL. Then you go on and select the second image, the headline, description, and URL, the third, and so on and so forth. And then what Facebook will do is it will show the card, the whole card that is performing the best. So out of the 3, if one is working the best, then Facebook will show that whole card to its users, the one that's performing the best. Now, as you can remember, in the last session, I discussed that I would explain what these dynamic creative is. So a dynamic creative is the same as a carousel, except what happens over here is you choose 3 or 4 images, you choose 3 or 4 headlines, 3 or 4 descriptions, and what Facebook does is it mixes and matches those headlines, descriptions, and images according to the ones that are working the best. In the carousel, the whole card is shown as one. Over here, Facebook mixes and matches the headlines, the images to see which one is working the best. So that is a difference. So now what you can do is you can, if you want to test out different creatives, you can use these other options that Facebook gives you. You can use the dynamic creatives, you can use the carousel collection, whatever you want to, and see which one is working the best. And then go with that. Okay. So now if you're using the single image or video, and if you want to add another creative, how can you do that? You can go over here and click on the dots, and once you click on duplicate, Facebook will copy the whole add creative section and make a copy of it. So as you can see over here, there's a copy. So now what you can do is all you have to change is the creative, right? You have one image, and for example, if you have one image and one video, you've already created the image creative. Now you need to put in the video. So what you do is click on add media, click on add video, and then upload your video and select it, and you're done. The rest of it will stay the same. So this is how you're going to create multiple ad creatives. Another way of doing this is by just closing this window. And as you can see over here, there are 3 columns: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. You click on the ad section, go to the first creative and click on duplicate over here, and the second one will be created. You can use the same method for ad sets as well. For example, if you want to target other interests, click on duplicate, go and change the interests, rename the ad set, and then you can create 3, 4, 5 ad sets, as many ad sets as you want to. So we've already created our first Facebook ads. I hope you've understood everything, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next session. Take care.